When we look at what we were 85 years ago, it was mainly spare parts for automotive. Then we went into retreading, manufacturing of automotive parts, gumboots, rubber products. And then in the 90s, we basically changed all of that and redirected ourselves to the two-wheeler space, the motorbike space, the three-wheeler space, and the equipment space that you see in our showroom today. Yeah. So it's been like 99% actually. So it's been a very big turn. We also spread throughout East Africa, spread throughout Kenya. So we're in 10 countries in East Africa. We've got our own presence in 4 of those countries. And we've also built a very big footprint around Kenya as well. So yeah, we've really changed our regional footprint as well. So it's been quite a huge transformation in that sense. When we look at the March, April, May, June quarter last year, it was obviously very drastic, huge drop in volumes. So that was very serious. And what we've seen is that there's been a shift in business. So, and you look at the trends globally, certain businesses have boomed during the pandemic, others have really fallen away. So the really sectors that have been affected are obviously hospitality, real estate, but other sectors have done really well. The motorcycle sector in India has done amazingly well. The three-wheeler segment has done well because people are now moving away from certain segments into others, and these have been beneficiaries of those segments. In terms of our equipment space, our tractor business continues to grow. Agriculture continues. Look at Kenya. The agricultural economy of Kenya has thrived. Rains have been good, everything's been good, so the economy's thrived with it. The motor vehicle sector, luxury goods, people are not driving as much, so that's dropped. So, there have been winners and losers. And we're very fortunate that with our diversified base, we've really been able to sustain reasonable performance in spite of the fact that the economy's been through a very difficult time. Piaggios are a great way forward. Today, costs are under pressure. Everyone has to shave every penny. The thing about the Piaggio, it allows 2 things. First of all, it allows last mile distribution. That's why all the big distributors buy Piaggios, because you can go into the last mile of every little street. The second big thing is it's hugely efficient in terms of cost. It does 36 kilometers a litre, it's diesel, so it really does sort of save you money in terms of transport. And the third thing is the acquisition cost. I mean, it's half the price of a pickup, less than half the price of a pickup, 40% the price of a pickup. So from that perspective, if you're looking for efficiency in distribution, it's really a no-brainer. So we're working a lot with the government right now to set up a three-wheeler assembly sort of sector. We've done a great job, I think, on the two-wheelers now. We've launched our first locally manufactured product in January this year, so that's great. We've got phase 2 of the two-wheeler coming through in the next six months to 1 year. We'll be 40% local content in 5 years. Why can't we do that with three-wheelers? So we're working with the government to do exactly the same with three-wheelers, build local content, promote manufacturing in Kenya, and I think that'll create a lot of jobs. In fact, right now we're already testing green three-wheelers. We're already working with our suppliers to produce green two-wheelers, and we're very committed to that. If we can shift our markets to green over a period of time, it's going to take time, it's not going to happen overnight, but if we can shift it to green, then great that we can play our part for society and the environment. I mean, that's a big one for us. We're open for business, we're growing rapidly as a business, we have over 1 million customers, and we're very open and there's great opportunity for everyone in Kenya right now, in East Africa. We're in a great place and we really need to make the most of it and take these countries to the next level.